Yo, what's going on, you guys? Prokotaco here at the Prokotaco Show, and today we got a box of MVP hockey cards from the 2009-10 season. That's the John Tavares rookie year, and this is episode 18 in the Expo series, second last episode before we finally conclude that series, and that's coming up right now on the Prokotaco Show. Stay tuned! The Prokotaco Show. What's going on, you guys? Prokotaco here at the Prokotaco Show, and on this show we open up trading cards and share that experience with you. And so today, like I mentioned in the intro, some MVP hockey cards, 2009-10 Expo series, episode number 18. In this box we're gonna find 8 cards per pack, and there's 12 packs. So quite a few cards to open up. Let's get straight to it. MVP rookies, 1 and 2 packs. The MVP, one of the nicer lower end products. I forget how these look like. I'm actually not too sure if I've opened up a few packs, but let's go ahead and open up our first one from this blaster box. I think I have opened a few of these. Tyler Kennedy, Marty Turco, Rene Bourque, Maxime Lapierre, Brooks Leitch, and a insert here, MVP Winter Classic of Zdeno Chara of the Bruins. Then we got Jacob Voracek and Olli Jokinen. MVP is cool if you like to build sets. There's lots of parallels in it too. So I'm just gonna say the last name of the player just to speed up the break a little bit. Elliott, Stillman, Ribeiro, Fisher, Stafford, and a rookie card here of John Negrin. We've got Kozlov and Niedermeyer. That's Scott Niedermeyer. Coburn, Brindamore, Lettinen, Bacchus, and a Hart Candidates of Eric Stahl. It's a cool looking insert there. Timonen, Callahan, and Surrey. So I think, I don't know if there's any silver scripts in this. I think they're all silver scripts. As they all have the their autograph there. Park, Tikhonov, Suter, Lidstrom, Nylander, Michael Nylander, that's William Nylander and Alex Nylander's father. And then a rookie card of Joel Recklix of the Islanders. Solani and Kessler. Crosby, Waite, Doan, Oshie, Avery, and a Winter Classic card of Daniel Carcillo, Stamkos, and Talbot. Nolan, McLeod, Hamhuis, Holmstrom, and a rookie card of Teemu Laakso of the Predators, Rene, Kopitar, and Morrow. Taves, McCabe, Versteeg, Gostad, Enstrom, and a heart candidates of Rick Nash, Commodore, and Conroy. Theodore, White, Stepniak, Krajicek, Kunitz, and a rookie card here of Leno, Peverly, and Keith Tkachuk. So that's Matthew Tkachuk and Brady Tkachuk's father. Can you tell we're a bit back in the series? This is actually almost a decade old, almost. Not quite yet, but it's getting there. Kessel, Dupuis, Arnott, Shepard, and a Winter Classic card of Mark Savard. Price, Franzen, and MacArthur. 3 packs left here, guys. Setaguchi, Pyle, Habibulin, Umberger, Caberlet, and a rookie card of Taylor Chorney, Kuhlman, and Klo. It's really nice to see some of these older names. Berglund, Ovechkin, Whitney, Turris, Brodeur, and a heart candidates of Thomas Vanek, Burnett, Hewitt, and our last pack here. Miernin, Savard, Waze, Budai, and a rookie card of Michael Vernas. Fleischman, Pronger, and Campbell concludes our break of this box of MVP hockey cards from the 2009-10 season. We'll just quickly go over the inserts that we got for you guys. We'll start off with the rookie cards. Michael Vernas, Taylor Chorney, Lino, Timu Laxo, Joel Rechlix, and John Negrin. Some heart candidates here. Thomas Vanek, Rick Nash, and Eric Stahl. And then we got these Winter Classic cards, which are pretty cool. Mark Savard, Daniel Carcelo, and Zdeno Chara. So there you have it, guys. Nothing crazy in today's episode, but a fun break in my opinion. MVP being a really cool set to collect if you like to build sets. Obviously, if you're just trying to chase hits, not the ideal product for you, but if you like putting together a set, this is definitely a product to go with. So thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to click that like button for me, as that really helps me out. And we can now cue the outro. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I really appreciate that. If you'd like to watch another episode, you can do so by clicking one of the squares up above. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel right over there. And you can always check me out on social media at Prokotaco. Until next time, my friends, peace out. Racko Jacko.